First, or travel Singapore. Getting a Singapore visit visa is a relatively easy task. Singapore visit or tourist visa makes a good travel history. Within 4 working days, you will get the visa. Second, or travel Malaysia. The easiest visa in Asia is Malaysia Tourist Visa. Malaysia offered e-visa and sticker visa. Must visit Kuala Lumpur. Third, or travel Thailand. Another easy-to-get visa is Thailand. Thailand beat its tourism target, with 11.15 million foreign visitors in year. Fourth, or travel Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka visa mostly countries have on arrival visa entry. There is really no doubt in our minds that Sri Lanka is generally one of the safest places to visit in Asia. Sri Lanka is well known for its rich Buddhist culture as well as other religions. If you have visited these 4 countries, then your passport travel history will be strong. And you can visit all these 4 countries in one ticket. Plan your travel with us and comment, we will contact you. If you like a video, subscribe Foodie Traveler for more informative travel videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.